Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You've unplugged the keyboard and set it on a static-free mat. Now remove keycaps. Start with larger keys to relieve tension using the keycap puller and pulling straight up. Once done, photograph the layout so you can restore stabilizers and layout order later. Make sure to keep caps in labeled trays or a grid template. If your board is hot swappable, test a pull on a back row key. If not, prepare to open the case for soldered switches next. You now handle the switches themselves. If the keyboard is hot swap, use the switch puller to compress the clips and pull the switch straight out. Align replacement pins and press firmly until seated. If it's soldered, open the case, desolder each joint with a soldering iron and wick or pump, then remove the switch. Once removed, clean holes, insert new switches ensuring pins are straight, and for soldered boards, apply flux and solder each joint cleanly to avoid shorts. You're ready to reassemble. Lower the PCB into the case, secure screws evenly, and reinstall stabilizers and keycaps guided by your photo. Once done, plug in and run a full key test to confirm each switch registers. If a key doesn't register, make sure the switch pins fully penetrate the PCB or hot socket and inspect solder joints for cold connections. Reheat and add solder if needed. One troubleshooting tip: if several adjacent keys fail, check for a damaged.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.